good morning students, and today's topic is data representation. With a data representation means how we present the data. For example, as a human being, we use 10 digits from 0 to 9. For example, your marks 95%. It means 9 and 5. तो जितने भी आपके पास नंबर्स आएंगे, that is the combination of from 0 to 9. So इसे कहते हैं डेसी. डेसी means 10. It means all the numbers which we are using as a normal human being, we are using maximum numbers. तो इसे कहते हैं. ये थोड़ा सा मैंने डिस्कस भी किया था during your Python called decimal number system, in which we have total 10 digits from 0 to 9. But as a computer, the computer never used the number system. In that, it used binary. In binary number system, there are only two numbers. One is 0, another is 1. When electricity on, there will be 1. When electricity off, there will be 0. So combination of 0 and 1 will create a number, and it is called binary. Now, computer also use another number system that is called octal. We have total 8 digits from 0 to 7. Total 8 digits from 0 to 7. And another number system that is called hexadecimal number system. In this we use 9, total 10, then E to F, total 16 digits. Clear? तो यहाँ पे 0 से लेकर 9 तक होगा, then A B C D E F. तो A रिप्रेजेंट करेगा 10 को, B रिप्रेजेंट करेगा 11, C लाइक से. ठीक है, अप टू 0 to 15. Here 0 to 9 as it is, and then 10 के लिए there will be A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 C, 14 and 15 F. But number systems are used by computer. It means in one side we are using binary number system in which we have only 2 digits, and in decimal number system we have total 10 digits from 0 to 9. Is it clear? And these three systems are used by computer systems. For example, when we use in the case of corner draft color system, in class 10 हमने डिस्कस किया था कि जब हम बैकग्राउंड सेट करते हैं या 50, यहाँ तो दे दो दूसरी कलर इक्वल टू रेड है. Another is color code. जो कलर कोड होता है ठीक है. तो when we do the practical we will also show you, I will also show you the color code. ठीक है, देखिए हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर, क्योंकि नंबर में क्या आ गया A and B. It is data representation. So now in your syllabus, any number will be given in a decimal. You will have to convert that number into binary or octal or hexadecimal. Or number given in binary, you will have to convert it into decimal or octal or hexadecimal. It means conversion will be there from one number system to another number system. First is if we convert any decimal number to binary. So we are going to convert a number system to binary number system. So in binary number system, we know that base is 10, डेसिमल का बेस क्या है 10 क्योंकि 10 नंबर्स है, एंड बाइनरी का बेस है 2 because it has 2 numbers. Suppose I am taking one example. I have one number, uh, 69. This is in decimal, and I want to convert this number into binary. Base is 2. Question ऐसे आएंगे, convert the following. 69 in a bottom there will be 10. It means it is a decimal number system, and question mark 2. 2 means you want to convert that number into binary. So what you will do? You will write down 69. Now base of binary is 2. तो आपने यहाँ पे 2 ले लेना, ठीक है. Now look at here, 34 into 2, 68. Now remaining value 1. So 1 यहाँ पे लिख देना. Clear? Now 2, 17 into 2, this is 34. Remaining value is 0. So you will take here 0. Then 8 into 2, this is 16. Remaining value is 1. Again 2. 4 into 2, it is 8. So remaining value is 0. 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, it is 4. Remaining value is 0. And at the end, 2 into 1, remaining value is 0. Okay? It means at the end, there will be only 1. There will be only 1. It means you can't further solve this question. Yes. Monday there will be only online classes. You will not come here with us. So how you will write the code? From the bottom, here is 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. It means your 69, that is in decimal, is equal to, from bottom, 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. You will write here 2. So this is the answer of your question. हाँ, उसके नीचे, ठीक है. I will solve it. Another question. So next is Manjeet, it is clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now we are going to solve another question, again decimal to binary. So suppose number is 78, and this is a decimal number, and we want to convert that number into binary. So what you will do? Take 78 here. The base value of binary is 2. (39) into 2, that is 78. Remaining value is 0. Again 19 into 2, 38. Remaining value is 1. Then 9 into 2, 18, remaining value 1. Then 4 into 2, 8, remaining value 1. Then 2 into 2, 4, remaining value is 0. Then 2 into 1, 2, so remaining value is 0. So how you will write here? From bottom, it will be 1, 0, 0, then 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the answer. 2, because base is 2. Now question is, if your question is in a floating point means decimal values, like I take one example, 39.56, and I want to convert that number into binary number. So now divide your question into two parts. Integer part here 39 and 0.56 separate. Follow the same process for this. How will you how you can solve this? By 2 means 19 into 2, 38, remaining value 1, then remaining value 1, remaining value 1, remaining value 0, remaining value 0. So this answer of this one is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Now I am going to solve 0.56. Now in place of dividing, आपने क्या करना है? इसको multiply करना है 2 के साथ. So whenever we multiply 0.56 with 2, answer will be 1.12. ठीक है? अब हमने क्या करना है? इसका आगे की तरफ जो पोर्शन है, ये 0 भी हो सकता है, 1 भी हो सकता है, उसको यहां पे लिख लो. You will write here. अब हमारे पास वैल्यू रहेगी 0.12, क्योंकि हमने 1 ले लिया. We will draw the 1. Now value is 0.12. Again multiply by 2, it is 0.24. तो आगे इसके क्या है? 0. इसको 0 ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. तो 0.24 into 2. Now value is 0.48. तो इसका 0 हमने ले लिया. आगे रह गया 0.48 into 2. It is 0.96. तो इसका 0 ले लिया. आगे रह गया 0.96 into 2. ये हो गया 1.92. इसका 1 ले लिया हमने. तो अप टू 5 points, 5 decimal points वहां पे आगे छोड़ दो, चाहे इसको सॉल्व ना हो. तो इसको आपने इस तरीके से लिखना है, ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ. तो यहां पे डॉट 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. हाँ, इसमें डाउन टू अप और यहां से अप टू डाउन. हाँ, इसको डिवाइड करना है, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इज इट क्लियर? हो? एनी डाउट इन दिस? Bhavneet, any doubt? Bhavneet?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, बेटे. डेसिमल के पहले इस साइड वाले जो है उसके पास ये वाला 0.56. Now next one more question I will solve, and then when we will go to conversion of binary to decimal, reverse. Okay. Now 57.37 5 तक 1 2 3 4 5 5 decimal point we need. Now 57.37, we take 57 and 0.37. This we will divide 28 into 2, that is 56. Remaining value 1. 14 into 2, 28. Remaining value 0. 7 into 2, 14. Remaining value 0. 3 into 6, 3 into 2, 6. Remaining value 1. 2 into 1, 2. Remaining value 1. So this is, well, answer is here 1 1 1 0 0 1. एक साइड हमने सॉल्व कर ली. अब हमने सॉल्व करना है 0.37. So you will multiply. So after multiply it will be 0.74. So you will take 0. हमने इसकी 0 आगे से ले ली, तो रहेगा 0.74 into 2. It is 1.48. इसका 1 हमने ले लिया. Then here is 0.48 into 2. It is 0.96. We take 0. 0.96 into 2. It is 1.92. We take 1. 0.92 into 2. It is 1.64. We take 1. So 5 decimal point हो गए. ठीक है. Now answer of this question is, look at here. ठीक है बेटा, ठीक है. चलो उसको फिर आप करेक्ट कर लो. ठीक है. तो हियर आंसर इज 111,001 पॉइंट अप टू डाउन. तो 0101. हाँ 84. तो आंसर पे इसका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं है ना. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया. सो नेक्स्ट, तो थोड़ी सी होगी फ्रैक्शन में मार्क्स कम हो सकते हैं, बाकी ओवरऑल तो नियर अबाउट 2 मार्क्स का होगा ये वाला क्वेश्चन. तो 1.5 you will get. Next is, now we are going to convert binary value into decimal. Suppose number is 1101. इसको आपने कन्वर्ट करना है. You want to convert this into decimal. So first of all, write down 1101. Okay. अब आपने क्या करना है, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द एंड. यहां पे लिखना है 0 1 2 3 इन सीक्वेंस. एक यहां पे एक और वैल्यू होती है, इट विल बी 4. नाउ बाइनरी का बेस क्या है, 2. तो आपने क्या करना है, 2 पावर 0, 2 पावर 1, 2 पावर 2, 2 पावर 3. ठीक है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर 2 पावर 0 इज ऑलवेज 1. दिस इज मैथमेटिकल. 2 power 0 is always 1. 2 power 1 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 8. Now you will multiply this value with this. Okay, 1 into 1 हमारे पास आ गया 1. Now 2 into 0 it will be 0. 4 into 1 4, 8 into 1 8. ये सारी वैल्यूज ऐड कर दो. तो 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 तो 13. Answer is it is equivalent to 13. अगर आपने चेक करना है इसको तो वेरी इजी कि अगर हमने चेक करना है, हमें पता है 13 को अगर 2 से डिवाइड करो तो ये आ गया आपके पास 6 इंटू 2 12. यहाँ पे रिमेनिंग वैल्यू 1 6 0. देखो 1101 1101. So it is correct one. So now I am going to solve another one more program. हाँ, तो देखो इन केस ऑफ बाइनरी यू इन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन आपने डिवाइड भी 2 से करना है, मल्टीप्लाई भी 2 करना है, और यहाँ पे बेस भी क्या लेना है 2 था. तो अगेन आई एम सॉल्विंग अनदर क्वेश्चन. Suppose it is this is in a binary format and we want to find out its decimal value. So you will take 1011 starting from the end point 0 1 2 3, 2 power 0 2 power 1 2 power 2 2 power 3. 2 power 0 is always 1. Here 2, here 4, here 8. So you will multiply these two numbers. 1 into 1 it is 1, 2 into 1 2, 4 into 0 0, 8 into 1 8. So add these values. 8 plus 2 plus 1 it is 11. So it is equivalent to 11. Kshitij, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. What happened if binary number is given in fraction? तो अब हम यूज करेंगे कि अगर बाइनरी नंबर फ्रैक्शन में दिए हुए हैं फिर आपने क्या करना है. नाउ लुक एट हियर. वो नंबर इज 101.01. ये नंबर दिया होगा. तो आपने क्या करना है, पहले नंबर लिख लो. राइट डाउन द नंबर. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस साइड. तो पॉइंट के बाद आएगा 0 1 2. वी नो दैट. और इस साइड में नेगेटिव वैल्यू तो इट विल बी -1 -2. क्लियर. नाउ 2 power 0 2 power 1 2 power 2 2 power -1 2 power -2. और 2 power 0 ऑलवेज 1. here 2 here 4. अब यहां पे क्या होगा, इसका मतलब है 2 power -1 का मतलब होता है 1/2. तो ये हो गया हमारे पास 0.5. और इसका मतलब क्या हुआ 2 power -2. इसका मतलब 1/2. 2 power 2 मीन्स 1/4. 1/4 मीन्स 0.25. तो यहाँ पे आ गया 0.25. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई दीज नंबर्स. 1 into 1 1, 2 into 0 0, 4 into 1 4. और इस साइड में 0.5 into 0 0.25 into 1, तो 0.25, तो इनको ऐड कर दिया. Now 4 plus 5, 1, 5. Answer is 5.25. So here answer is 5.25. This is the answer. ये देखो बेटा 4, ये यहाँ तक क्लियर है. ठीक है, इस साइड में 0.5 इंटू 0, तो वो तो 0 हो जाएगा. 1 इंटू 0.25, तो 0.25, इनको ऐड कर दिया. आंसर इज 0.25, 5.25. एक और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, तो कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा आपको. Now solve this. Start solving, beta. So you will write down the number first. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, और इस साइड में -1, -1, -2, -3, 2 power -1, 2 power -2, 2 power -3. तो 2 power 0 always 1, 2 power 1 means 2, यहाँ पे 4, यहाँ पे 8, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 0.5, उसको हाफ करते रहो. 0.5, 0.25 एंड 0.12, हाफ कर दो उसका. 125, हाफ, बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली इस वैल्यू का हाफ. अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 1 इंटू 1, 1, 2 इंटू 0, 0, 4 इंटू 1, 4, 8 इंटू 1, 8, और इस साइड में 0.5 इंटू 1, 0.5, 0.25 into 0, 0, 1 into 0.125, तो 0.125. अब इसको ऐड कर दो. 8 plus 4, so 8 plus 4 plus 1, it is 13.5 plus 0.125, it is 625. So answer is 13.625. So this is the answer. So if you have any doubt, raise your hand. Sushant, any doubt? Ishpneet, any doubt बच्चे? Ishpneet,
No, sir.
Okay, beta.
No, sir.
So this is all about, first we convert, I am repeating, MySQL is not in your syllabus. This is now the part of +2, and today we started a new chapter, that is data representation. What is the meaning of data representation? How we present the data, how we can present the data in memory, how we can store the data. So in normal communication, we use decimal number system, in which there are total 10 numbers from 0 to 10. But in computer, we use binary number system, in which we have two values, two numbers, 0 and 1. Octa number, we have total 8 numbers from 0 to 7. In hexadecimal, we have 16 numbers from 0 to 10, then A to F. Now in your syllabus, you will have to convert one number system into another number system. So we converted decimal into binary, and then we convert binary into decimal number system. So next week, we will continue with this. We will convert decimal into octal, octal into decimal, then decimal into hexadecimal, and hexadecimal into octal number system. Okay, students, if you have any doubt, you can raise your hands. Otherwise, I am going to close the meeting.